the Painting Baby Hand channel. Hello kids, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're learning to draw and color a rainbow star step by step. Let's start by drawing. Yellow color. If you don't have glitter glue, you can use regular glue and sprinkle glitter on top. Green color. Color. I hope you will enjoy this video. Wait a new videos. See you next time. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.